Namaskar. Today we will discuss on a very important topic which is based on a rumor that is the consumption of wheat can prove to be harmful for our health. According to American heart specialist Dr. William Davis in his book Wheat Belly, which was written in the year 2011, one article published in New York Times, if you want to live, then leave wheat. According to that article, the people of India should stop the consumption of wheat if they want to live. In this article, it is claimed that the consumption of wheat increases the presence of diabetes. Approximately 70% of Indian population died in COVID time, which was suffered from diabetes. It is a fact that yes, the persons who died in COVID time, most of the peoples, they were the patients of diabetes. But we cannot claim that the consumption of wheat is the reason of diabetes. Actually, my main point of objection is that we cannot say on any basis that the consumption of wheat can be a cause of diabetes. Definitely the persons who are suffering from diabetes or the diabetic patients, if they consume the wheat, because a percentage of carbohydrate is already there, so it can reduce the sugar level in that patient. But actually, if a normal healthy person, if that person is consuming the wheat, we cannot say that a healthy person will also become diabetic after the consumption of wheat. Actually, we cannot say this because the reason of diabetic can be so many. Diabetes may be due to the lifestyle change. It is a hormonal disorder. Number of reasons can be possible of diabetes. But if we say that only the consumption of wheat is the main reason of diabetes, it cannot be possible, because if we observe in India, the rural and the village population is still very healthy and their immunity is very strong. And why their immunity is strong? It is only because they are based on the natural products. In India, the consumption of wheat is practiced in three forms. The one is raw wheat, that is the wheat flour which is having fiber and it is having a lots of health benefits. It is having vitamins, proteins, minerals as well as the carbohydrates. And it is the main crop of India. Mostly 60 to 70 Indian population or Indian families are based on the raw wheat. In daily life, they used to make chapati or dalia in their diet. And if we observe, if wheat is the reason, if the consumption of wheat flour is the reason of diabetes, so in the whole family, if 6 or 7 people are using the same wheat or the same chapati in that house, so all people should suffer from the diabetes. But practically it is not like this. So many people, they are healthy, they have no any heart problems or the diabetes problems. Actually, the second types of wheat is suji, which is granulated in the form of the granulated form, which is mostly used in the dessert form or in some sweet dishes. In the third form of wheat is used in the form of maida, which is refined flour. Actually, the third one, that is the refined wheat in the form of maida, that proved to be harmful because it is devoid of the fiber, and that fiberless form in the form of maida proved to be harmful for most of the population, which is used in the urban areas, especially in the form of junk foods like pizza, patties, cakes, biscuits. In that form, it proved to be harmful. But if we say the raw wheat, which is used in the form of mainly the wheat flour having lots of fiber, it cannot be proved to be harmful. And especially in the America, the third form, in the form of fiberless wheat flour, it is used in that American population and consumed in the form of burger, patties, pizza, and so many other forms. So that is the main reason of health issues But actually, we have to give this reason here. We cannot say that only the wheat is responsible for any health disorder or a disease like diabetes or the increase in the heart patient. There are so many other reasons be the reason of these disorders, mainly the tense life. So many people, because of the workload, lifestyle change, stress factor is there, and due to the more stress factor, people's tense life, they are suffering from so many disorders. So I want to say that we cannot claim like this that wheat is having more nutrient value in comparison to rice. But still, we cannot claim that the wheat or the rice is causing a diabetes or the heart problems. It is not like that all people are suffering from the diabetes. And in point, yeah, we can say that the person who is suffering from diabetes, the carbohydrate, because of the carbohydrate presence, these can increase the level of sugar in the body. But we cannot say that it is actually the reason of diabetes. So, request to the public, if you please read these types of article. First, if you think logically, it is not like that the whole population is suffering from that disorder, because each and every person's body is different. And according to the naturopathy, the plants, crops, trees are mainly the producers. They are meant to produce, and the other consumers like us, we are the tertiary consumers. We are totally dependent on the producers. So how it can be possible that the producers can be harmful to the consumers? It is not like that. Yeah, but the second thing is that suppose that producers or the crops or the natural product contains the other synthetic material like the fertilizers or the pesticides. So it can prove to be harmful for our health. But if that crop or the natural product is consumed, that natural products in their original form, it cannot prove to be harmful. Just think over this. First, your logic should be there whether it can be possible or not. Then you have to judge by yourself that whether you have to consume that or not. Okay, that's my point. So stay healthy, stay safe,